Over the past year, we have had some incredible moments. Our mission of teaching the world a better way is gaining traction and resonating with users around the world. Why is it resonating? The Electrical Power Research Institute has published that 54% of forced outages in gas turbine applications are from lubricant quality. This works out to 33 hours of lost production per year, costing up to $5 million in avoidable loss over the life of the turbine. In 2024, we had hundreds of facilities join our alumni and add Lubricant Chemistry Management to their maintenance programs. By implementing Lubricant Chemistry Management, users are able to get back that 33 hours of lost production per year, generating up to 3,000% return on investment on an economic basis and up to 30,000% on a CO2 basis. Implementing Lubricant Chemistry Management has the power to fundamentally change your operating efficiency and overall reliability. The favorite part to my job is meeting users, customers, and our distribution partners. This year, we've met hundreds of people from all over the world. While the languages spoken and cultures are all unique, we find common ground with the issues being experienced and working together to solve these problems. We've had some simply incredible results this year, including from nuclear power stations that have traditionally been very slow to change. With published case studies in hand, other nuclear power plants are expected to follow. For years, we have dreamed about a solution for steam turbine applications, and in 2024 was the year to make this dream a reality. We have 3 new products for steam turbine applications that are each game changers. Our SVR Hydro brings the power of lubricant chemistry management to steam turbine lube oil applications, and ECR 10,000 and ECR 12,000 for electro-hydraulic control systems. If you operate steam turbines, I would encourage you to check out these products and leverage the potential they can offer your company. To close, I want to thank our customers, partners, and staff for sharing in our dream to teach the world a better way. I'm very proud of the team at EPT Clean Oil and what we have been able to accomplish together this year. I've never been more confident or excited about the future and look forward to changing the world together in 2025. Thank you.